Question number 6, Scott Simpson.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. My question is to the Minister of Health and asks, what initiatives has the government put in place to support health services in rural communities?
Mr Speaker.
The Honourable Dr Jonathan Coleman.
Mr Speaker, we know that it's a difficult time for many farmers and supporting the regions is a key focus for the government. A good example is the $500,000 we announced last year to support rural mental health. As a result of that money, we've recruited and trained 60 additional rural support trust facilitators, appointed 12 regional mental health clinical champions and a medical director to help rural support trust clients in accessing support, and held 40 workshops to raise awareness of suicide prevention run by Rural Health Alliance, Aotearoa, New Zealand.
Supplementary, Mr Speaker.
Supplementary question, Scott Simpson.
What is the government doing to encourage health professionals to work in rural areas?
Mr Speaker.
The Honourable Dr Jonathan Coleman.
Mr Speaker, the government supports a number of workforce initiatives to ensure that New Zealanders living in the regions have access to the services they need. The voluntary bonding scheme incentivises new graduate doctors, midwives, nurses, dentists and sonographers to work in hard-to-staff communities. To date, over 1,000 health professionals have been funded through the scheme and just over $23 million has been paid out to eligible participants.
Supplementary question, Scott Simpson.
To the Minister, how has the government supported health services in the Coromandel by improving access to specialist care?
The Honourable Dr Jonathan Coleman.
Mr Speaker, the Coromandel is part of the Waikato District Health Board catchment area. 49,000 Waikato patients received a medical or surgical first specialist appointment in 2015, compared to 39,000 in 2009. That's a 26% increase and a record for the region. The answer to increasing demand is to do more, and that is supported by the $257 million funding increase that Waikato DHB has received over the last 7 years. That includes $44 million in new money for this year, taking the DHB's total funding to $1.1 billion for 2015-16.
Question number